Pecans are power-packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and healthy fats that can do you a world of good. Nutritional powerhouse. Pecans are dense in energy as well as nutrients. They contain protein, minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, and vitamins like thiamine, riboflavin, vitamin B6, folate, vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin E. Antioxidants. Antioxidants help counter the effects of free radicals, created through the natural process of oxidation in our bodies. An overload of free radicals can damage cells and DNA and has been implicated in various conditions like certain cancers, liver disease, heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease. Lower cholesterol. You may be able to lower your cholesterol levels by adding pecans to your diet. One study compared the effects of following a heart-friendly diet recommended by the American Heart Association with a pecan-enriched diet, where all the components of the heart-friendly diet were proportionately reduced by a fifth and replaced by pecans. Heart. Research indicates that having about 15 grams of pecans or other nuts per day can reduce your risk of coronary heart disease by as much as 24%, so snack on some delicious pecans to keep your heart healthy. Blood sugar. Eating pecans or other tree nuts can help lower blood sugar in people with type 2 diabetes. Research indicates that people who have about half a cup of these nuts in a day have lower levels of fasting blood sugar than those who don't. Live. A longer, healthier life. One large study that looked at people over a 30-year period found various benefits of consuming pecans and other nuts. Those who had a handful of nuts daily had a 20% lower chance of dying from any cause when compared to those who didn't. Pick up some pecans for your mid-morning snack today. You can also sprinkle some on yogurt or breakfast cereal.